Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another live cop video. Today is the Grand Theft drop of Derschutze. So in this drop of Grand Theft for Derschutze, we have two tees, a pink and blue tee, and these are all Grand Theft Auto based. We also have a jacket that has the Derschutze letters blown away. So that's really cool. It's all embroidered on a work jacket. I'm thinking about getting it in brown. So that might be the first thing that I go for. We also have two hoodies, one's in pink and there's another blue one, and there's also a green hoodie with a different Grand Theft Auto loading screen artwork. We have the jackets, navy followed by gray and then brown in popularity, and I'm gonna be going for the jackets, then the hoodies, and I might pick up a tee or two depending on how they look. So this drop has 11 items, so it's by far the biggest drop that Derschutze has had so far. It's live right now, so we're going for it right now. We're going to be going for the work jacket, Grand Theft hoodie, and we're going to go for the blue one. So we're going to add all this to cart. Okay, and we're going to add to cart, view cart, we're going to check out. We're in line to check out right now. I'm wondering if this was updated to Shopify. Hopefully we cop. Okay, it's loading. Okay, information's up. Pay now. Okay, and it went through. That was very simple. Awesome. All right, so we got the Grand Theft hoodie in baby blue, we got the Grand Theft hoodie in green, and then we also got the Burning House workwear jacket in brown. So we're gonna be going through the items right now, seeing if I want any more items this week. So we're gonna be checking that out now. We're gonna be going to the shop. Okay, so here's the Grand Theft hoodie in green. This is how the logo looks like from Los Santos. So that's pretty cool. Love the graphic. Here's the Burning House. As you can see, the U and the T are blowing into the wind on the graphic. And here's the front patch on the front. Has the whole Derschutze logo right there. And that is right on the left pocket. So that's a pretty cool one. And then here are, we're also gonna check out the baby blue. So here it is. This is Vice City based, so that's really cool. I love the embroidery on all their products. That's really cool. I'm not the biggest fan of the robotic kind of graphic, but I understand how they can't just copy the whole Grand Theft Auto logos, so that makes perfect sense. So we got that. And there are also a bunch of t-shirts. Let's see. Okay, so that sold out. I did get a green, right? Yeah, I believe so. So let's see. Grand Theft in brown. I'm not the biggest fan of that one. The green, the blue, and the brown jacket, that's what I like the most. Let's see. Is this embroidered? No, it looks like a screen print on these. It's a nice graphic. Let's check this out as well. Yeah, that's nice. But I do prefer the hoodies. Definitely. And there it is, the graphic again. We're gonna give it another refresh. So far just the pink Grand Theft has sold out, as well as the navy work jacket. And here's the Grand Theft shirt in blue. That's pretty cool. I will say the navy work jacket looks very nice, but it's just the fact that I got a navy varsity jacket recently, so I want to switch up the colors a little bit. Overall, it looks very nice with the navy. Refresh again. All right, so another work jacket has sold out. It is currently $12.05. The blue hoodie has sold out as well. I'm thinking I maybe should have gotten the pink Grand Theft hoodie, but it's already sold out, so Pretty cool, pretty cool. I definitely wanted the green because it reminds me of the green Supreme box logos, so those were going for a lot of money for a long time because they haven't made the forest green colorway in a lot of items, so it went up in price a lot. Pretty cool. Let's give another refresh. Same item says sold out. Alright, and now the pink t-shirt has sold out as well as the blue. So that's pretty cool. Alright, and now a few minutes later, it's 12:07. The brown work jacket has just sold out. No more are available. So that's going to be the last item to go. I think it's mainly because the main character is on the background of the car, so it's just not as good. It's not as iconic, at least to me. So that's why I didn't feel like getting it. And the fact that it's sitting. Okay, so it's currently 12:10 and the green hoodie has sold out. And if we refresh again, it's 1 minute later and the brown hoodie and the t-shirt has sold out. And the only item left is the green t-shirt. So that should sell any moment now. And the green t-shirt has just sold. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys have not yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out this video that YouTube recommends that you watch. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.